Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1964 Cadillac DeVille. It's pretty rare because it's triple black. Black on the outside, black on the inside, black top. And it's pretty loaded. Power locks, windows, mirrors, AC, Centennial. Super straight, beautiful body. 429 under the hood. Aluminum radiator. It's just been tuned up too. New plugs, wires, coil, cap, rotor. That's a big cruiser, man. Super straight body. Frame's a little hazy. You can see that right there. A little chip here. A little imperfection in the paint there. And there, super tiny. Grill up here is a little hazy, as you can see. Not too bad though. New rubber on the tires, they look new. So this car, client drove it all the way home from New Jersey too. It runs fantastic. Front bumper is a little hazy too, as you can see. Got one T3 up front. A little hazy on the headlight cans. A little hazy over here. Yeah. See that. This mirror's a little hazy. Little spot right here. Imperfection right here as well. With a touch up or something. Car runs awesome. It's got Centennial as well. Custom stereo. Really nice dash. Interior's beautiful. Really nice. Also, all the windows work great. Just this back window doesn't work from the switch. It's like intermittent. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I've just been using this back switch. Power top works great, no issues. Super straight body, jeez. Turn the lights on for you. Automatic dimming lights. Centennial. See, these are on, but they're not bright. See that filament in there? It's on, but it's not bright. Front blinker. This is just a wire or something for that headlight. Runs really nice. No leaks or anything like that. Look at the little platforms. Yeah, it's gotta be a loose wire. Well, guys, thanks for joining me. Mike at Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I'll talk to you soon.